Welcome. How are all of you all doing? Just let me know. And yes, so this video is about your first terminal examination for the 90 days workshop challenge, and I want to tell you about the marks classification and what tasks are you going to do. So the rewards will be conveyed to you later on at the point of analyzing, but for now you will be getting ready for the tasks that you will be doing and also for the marks that we are allotting to you. Wholesome, this will be of 100 marks sheet, and the question answer when it comes to theory. Now, how much knowledge are you able to retain as a theory, as pure information that you are implementing? That theory part is considered 40 marks and 50 marks is for the practical, okay, and other 10 is for your systemization, your habits. Let me get to the mind map first. The first thing is image consultant. See, you need to consult yourself as an image consultant because as it comes to building your brand, the first and foremost thing is that how are you perceived by yourself and then the audience. So first of all, you need to look at your image, because how the world sees you is just the reflection of your self image. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand, search on go out on Google and search about an image consultant. How does it perform its work, and what does he do so that he can actually get a nice image out of somebody. So just go and check that and consult yourself as an image consultant and take out your best version, your best image in front of the camera and camerize yourself like that. And it is not useful just on the camera but also when you are writing something, because in the task I will be not just giving you for video creation but also some writing things. So because when it comes to Facebook post, Twitter and LinkedIn post, you need to write, okay, and written posts are getting viral so much. So you need to also write and also record. So both of these things will only be will only be to its next level only when your image, your self image is very clear to you. So first task is this, that you first clarify yourself, discover yourself, your self image, and this contains 10 marks, okay, 10 marks for this image consultant part. Alright, and also if someone from the group, from the Partners Academy wants help from any of other partners from you, then you can help them. Okay, so as an image consultant you're going to act. Okay, you need to search about how an image consultant take care of image. So this is one perspective, that is going to be 10 marks, and also not just about you, it's about you giving support to the partners as well. If somebody is facing some problem, you can actually watch their videos and tell them that okay, this is where you are making mistake, or this is where you can a little bit improvise. So this your task is first of all, because your collaboration, your cooperation with your partners is something that we are looking to see forward. Okay, second thing is 100x wealth workbook that I've given you in your emails. So this contains of 40 marks. All right, there are 80 questions altogether and each questions consist of half marks each. So I'll be checking your workbooks. You will be writing your answers obviously in a notebook and sending the pics to us, okay, in the group, or you can email us. Okay, not don't fill the group, just email us attaching the file, whatever pictures you have clicked for your answer sheet. Okay, so this will be containing 40 marks. The questions are already given to you. Okay, number 3 is checklist for practical task. Now it comes the practical task. This contains 50 marks. Okay, the task that you will be doing is number 1, 30 content pieces you need to create. Okay, because you will be posting content. All right, so you need to create 30 at least content pieces like videos, posts, anything. 30 it must be. Okay, and you will be doing 3 posts a day. Let's say 2 you did on Instagram, 1 you did on Facebook, like this, mixing everything. 3 posts per day you must be sharing on the social media, like 1 in Facebook, 1 on Instagram, and all 3 must be different, okay? 1 on LinkedIn, or 1 video or podcast, anything, but it must be 3 posts per day on social media, okay? Now you need to get ready with your Facebook group, Instagram page, YouTube about section wherein everything is written about your channel, and LinkedIn profile. Again, you will be describing yourself, like who are you, for whom you are here, okay? Your podcast account also in Spotify or Anchor you can do, okay? Google Podcast is there, so you can actually go for these optimizing these profiles, these 5 things, okay? And 3 posts per day, that means 10 days work it will be there. 3 posts per day, 30 content pieces you need to create, 30 different content pieces, okay? Again, relating to your niche. Now second task for you is, all these 5 things must be optimized, okay? So profile optimization is the next thing. You can take example from my Instagram profile, wherein I've I have a very simple username. I am Vardhan Sahu with no underscore, nothing, okay? There is a very simple username, searchable thing, and I have keywords in my bio, in my description, like best page for content creators, helping coaches and creators get more leads through experts funnels. YouTube, I've given my YouTube channel Vardhan Sahu. Get my 6999 course for free. I've also given the lead magnet over here, SHUBHAVRDAN.com/BVB. So this is my optimization for the profile, and also I have made this as a business profile. So you can see digital creator is written over here. This is my business tag, okay? And this is my username Vardhan Sahu, alright? This is my name. So like this, I have a good DP as well, alright? So this you need to do. Okay, and this same thing is again on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and podcast account. All of these accounts will be same, okay? You will be optimizing about what you are doing, how you will be helping people, and for whom this page will be useful. All of these things will be noting, okay? You can take the example from this profile optimization. And now website link. See here, you can see some links are given, okay? In Google podcast, in Facebook, in YouTube, in LinkedIn, you are able to give some links, okay? So that link, for now, if you don't have any of your link and you have not discovered any of your domains and all, then what you can do is you can just promote your affiliate link. Like you can promote our courses, our lead magnets with your link. So anyone, if they gets converted, then the commission will be in your account. Again, the partner program thing, okay? So when it comes to website link, what you'll simply do is convert our lead magnet links into your name and give that link in your profiles, okay? In all of these 5 profiles that you're going to be making, okay? You can give BVB link, that is the brand vision blueprint course, that you can do for free. If someone gets converted, you will get the commission. And also you can give the Zoom link, okay? SHUBHAVRDAN.com/Zoom, that is the webinar part, okay? That is our webinar link. So this is your practical task that you need to do. Again, a recap. You need to create 30 content pieces, different content pieces. You need to profile optimization. You need to optimize your profile, and in these 5 platforms, okay? You are going to have a link. If your link is ready, then it's okay. But if not, and also if your link is right, your websites and all are not ready to be running, then what you can do is you can promote your affiliate link that is attached to us. You can promote our courses, alright, and you'll get the commission. So what you can do is right now, just go to your email first of all, Okay, and search for this workbook. Search for SIAS the Branding Academy and you will get this workbook. All right, in the 5 links that I've given you, the 5 bonuses, there is only the workbook is also given. And then you search about image consultant. Okay, and 10 marks for 40 marks plus 50 marks for this over, and then go for the practical things. All right, so this is going to be your gridding for the first terminal. Alright, and I hope that you are clear with these steps. So it's about your image, your workbook completion, and your practical task checklist. Okay, and let me know that are you committed to finish these tasks or not. Okay, because how much committed are you in finishing these tasks will define that how much faster you're going to get the results, because it's all about implementation. Now you've learned a lot. Okay, now it's all about implementation. You'll be posting your things on social media and getting the response from there, and there are so many interesting things that are going to be happening right now, so be ready for that. And all the best for this checking. If you're somebody watching this video who are not a part of this community, you can also get inside our community with the link shubhvardan.com/bvb or shubhvardan.com/zoom ZOOM, and the links are given in the description, so go with it and let's rock. This is Vardhan Sahu signing off until we meet again.